Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. I want to ask you some question. Do you want to make lots of money with just some little voiceover to the internet, guys, like Instagram? You can make $30, guys, PayPal money over and over again. Stay tuned for more. Okay, guys, what do you expect from this video? This video is all about how to make money by just influencing the world by using your social media network, guys. I show this website, it's most popular website. You can make $30 or some of Amazon gift card, Best Buy link, that's something stuff like that. You can make also PayPal money, guys. I show you this, and you can, it's available worldwide, guys, no matter where are you from. It's also legit way to make money, guys. Let's dive into this video. Before diving into this video, I like to describe my channel, guys. This is online business entrepreneur to help entrepreneurs to prove their money, guys, prove their financial status, how the entrepreneurs are going upwards, and I help you guys for how to make money online also. If you new here, hit the subscribe button and share with your friends, like and comment, guys, because I need inspiration, because I want to share my opinion to all over the world, guys. Please hit the like button and share with your friends, guys. Let's not further ado, let's dive in this video. This video is the website. I didn't show, guys. I show in last the beginning because some people ask what's the website name and go down, guys. I don't blame you guys because you are my subscriber. You don't do this, but some people, guys, some illegal people do this, like. So I show the website name around between in this video, guys. Stay tuned for till I show rating and how this work, guys. And this is the website, guys. Influence your world, your voice plus this company voice equal to voice of change, guys. Just to voice over and just as some surveys you can get paid, guys. Just easy money, just easily you can make lots of money with this, guys. And it's also fun, just like Instagram app, you can make lots of money, guys. And stay till the end. I show how the sign up process work, guys. And this is the how it's work, just to inspire, guys. Your personal opinion brand become inspiration to other brand, guys. It's easy. Let's share your opinion to others to make that profit or income somewhere else, some idea, whatever it may be. You can inspire other people and you can gain points for that, guys. It's easy as that. You can inspire other people with your opinion and you gain points. This is a partner brand working with this company, guys. The Amazon, CBI, Sony Music, Kellogg's, Coca-Cola, Flat, Rural, Expedia, guys. This is a legitimate company. There is also testimonial here, guys. Simple and entertaining, lots of fun. It's really healthy, daily. Some lots of testimonial, guys. I show the website name, guys. Wait for this. And this is how you begin, guys. If you need to make money, guys, just to go to this website. It's easy as you think. Just like Instagram, you can make lots of money with this, guys. I show you how it's work later this video. This is, let's click the App Store and Google Play Store, guys. Let's check the app review. This is App Store, guys. I show this app name is Tolan, guys. Tolan. The website name is tolan.com, guys. I see Tolan influencers. It's an influencer marketing website, guys. At least you need an Instagram account or social media account, whatever it may be. You need a social media account, guys. There are 4.3 reviews, guys. There are almost 2.2k rating, guys. This is most popular in Apple App Store. This is 4.2, guys. Some people are getting lots of money. This have been successfully doing this survey constantly, make almost 80% of, guys. CC just 61 social networking, guys. And let's dive to the Google Play Store. This is Google Play Store, guys, and it's almost get 3.4, guys. It's not much like that, guys. It's not overwhelming, it's not overdowning. It's like a middle of between there and there, guys. It's just like that. 3.4, it's like a good one. You not make lots of money with this, but you can make little more money, guys, just to pay for your rent, something like that. You can make money with this, guys. This is the apps look like. Nothing more complicated, guys. Just come over this website. You can make, guys. I complete this video speed and short for you, guys. Don't waste to some people are bothering single topic and about taking almost 20 minutes or 15 minutes just one video, guys. I just finish for simple and sweet, guys. I want to don't waste your time, guys, because time is precious. And this is a review, guys. I found it for you, guys. Reward surveys and Terminal Influencers offers a substantial selection of gift certification to retailer including Amazon, guys. The gift cards Amazon, Starbucks, Walmart, iTunes, Tango, Best Buy, Target, and even Bitcoin, guys. The cryptocurrency stop going like that, guys. It's also offer Bitcoin. And if you need 30 points, guys, just 30 points, you withdraw the Amazon Starbucks gift card, guys. If you need a $10, at least you need 95 points, guys. 95 points equal to 1030 USD, guys. Just easy 95 points. You can make 95 points around 2 days or 3 days, guys. It's easy money. 95 points, guys. A new member also terminal automatically have 500 points deposited, guys. New members, you can get 500 points easily, guys. And if we invite the friends or families, you can also be get 500 points, and there also get 500 points, guys. It's easy money. Just 95,000 points, you can get paid $30, guys. You can make this money just 2 or 3 days, guys. It's easy money. Don't be complicated, overthink it. It's easy money, guys. And this is the website I found you for you, guys. And just to inspire, your personal opinion can be inspire me, guys, and share and gain profit for you, guys. That's all. I hope this video helps you a lot to make money. If you gain any value from this, hit the subscribe button, share with your friends, like and comment below, guys. I need inspiration from you, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.